Thinking positively can be done through various distinguishable techniques. Some of the effective, reliable methods like self-talk and positive imagery will surely help. Let me introduce you to a few tricks and tips that can train your brain to think positively. Number 1. Focus on good things. Challenges and obstacles are part of our lives. In case you encounter one, focus on good memories and joyful situations. If they are negligibly small or totally insignificant, when you draw your attention to it, you probably find the obstacle as less frustrating and stressful, but it obviously takes some time. For example, if you cancel a plan, think of how you can use the available time to make your free time something interesting and calming. Number 2. Practice gratitude. There are evidences to prove that practicing gratitude can make you less susceptible to stressful movements, increase your self-esteem, and nourish your resilience, regardless of the hardships you might be facing. Just recall your memories about your loved ones, sweet thoughts, and joyful times to boost up your mood, so that you may not forget to express your gratitude at least once a day. For example, showing gratitude towards your co-workers for helping you in a particular project, washing plates for your loved ones, or spending time with your dog for the unconditional love they have for you. Number 3. Keep your gratitude journal. Studies have found that marking your grateful times in a diary can improve your positive attitude. In order to live healthy at all times, you just have to mark the grateful instances daily or write about the instances when you feel grateful at the times of hardships. So go ahead and take a pen and paper and start writing. Number 4. Open yourself up to humor. According to researchers, laughing lowers stress, depressions, and anxiety. Now, I'd like to ask you, when was the last time you had a good laugh? It enhances our coping skill, mood, and self-esteem. Keep your mind open for humors, most importantly at hard times, and take a break from difficulties to laugh without any tensions. You can even try watching comedy movies, reading comedy books, or spending time with people who always make you smile or laugh. Although you might feel like you're not getting anything right, you need to always find something funny in every bad situation. This can work as a mood enhancer and a great stress reliever. Number 5. Spend time with positive people. Optimism and pessimism are similar to two different faces of the same coin. Try to capture the actions of a person with you. Notice how someone in difficult time suppresses the mood of almost all people around them. An optimistic person does things opposite to this. Hanging around with optimists evidently enhances your self-esteem and probabilities of conquering your goals. Have positive people in your circle who will always boost up your mood and make you recognize the right path. Number 6. Practice positive self-talk. We try to criticize ourselves and try to be hard on ourselves. As time passes, this will create a bad impression on the way we view and think of ourselves, which can be difficult to manage. To avoid this, you need to develop a voice of your own and reply to negative sentences with positive ones. This is what we call positive self-talk. There are evidences to prove that the way you approach your own thoughts have the capability to attract the manner in which you control your own feelings, thoughts, and actions towards stress. An example of positive self-talk is, instead of thinking, "I really destroyed that," try saying, "I can approach that in a better way." Number 7. Identify your areas of negativity. Notice the different situations in your life and catch the ones which make you view life in a negative way. Don't have any ideas about it. Ask the person who knows you better. It might be your soulmate who may know something like your inability or negative aspect of your driving skills. Whatever it is, try handling it one at a time. And then try to improve that by having a positive attitude towards it. Number 8, start every day on a positive note. Start your day with something encouraging and optimistic. Why don't we try some ideas? Convince yourself that the day will go well, or with any other optimistic message, listen to a joyful and cheerful song or your favorite playlist. Spread your optimistic energy by providing a compliment or by behaving and thinking good about someone. Now, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let us know in the comment section, what are some of the ways you have tried to have a positive attitude? Are you an optimistic person or a pessimistic person? We'd love to hear from you. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.